Palgwe Ojong. Junbi. Left foot step back, scissor block. Left foot step, back stance double knife low, double knife middle, step back, back stance palm block, step forward, big stance middle punch. Repeat the other side. Left foot step forward, scissor block. Step forward, big stance double outer block. Two hand outer block. Big stance palm block finger strike with the Peacock. Big stance outside middle block. Punch, punch. Left foot pull, side kick. Right hand elbow. Step forward, back stance middle block. Repeat the other side. Big stance outside block. Punch, punch. Right leg side kick. Pull elbow into big stance. Step forward, back stance middle block. Scissor block. Step forward, back stance double low block, and step forward punch with the Peacock. And repeat the beginning segment. Double knife low, double knife middle, back stance palm block, big stance punch. Double knife low, double knife middle, back stance palm block, big stance punch. And Botto.